All right, guys, we are back for a site visit. The air conditioning ducts are in, so if you want to come check them out, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, we are back on site, and as you can see above my head, we've got the air conditioning ducts sticking out. We are on the top story of this two-story home. So what I want to do, I want to show you, where the best spots are to potentially put your air conditioning droppers, so they can actually come from the ceiling down through the top story to downstairs. So what I'll do, I'll flip the camera, we'll show you the motor, and then we'll show you where to put your droppers. All right, so somewhere up in there, amongst all the trusses, you can see the actual air conditioning motor. It's not yet totally complete, but it is up there, and as you can see, all the points coming off that. So as you can see, just hanging there for now. Obviously it'll get fixed on the drip box time. That's one in there for this room, and then so on. We have another one in there for this room. What I want to point out to you is the droppers going downstairs. So as you can see, this one here is a dropper, and that'll probably give a vent to downstairs. So generally speaking, you've got to try and have a space for these droppers. So this is in the walk-in wardrobe, so that'll get boxed in and framed down. We always like to put them in as tight as places as possible. When houses get a little bit small, it's very hard to find spots. This one here is in another wardrobe, so you can see that's nice and neatly tucked away in the wardrobe, and we have a third one over here as well too, and this one here is also tucked in the wardrobe as well. Now, as you can see, those ones there all tucked away in the wardrobes. Not a lot of space on the upstairs of this project, so we try to put them in the neatest, the best spots as possible. And obviously too, we have to try and make sure they line up with a relevant room downstairs. There's no point having a dropper come down and it's in the garage. We've got to make sure that the dropper does come down to the relevant room, whether it be a family room, kitchen, dining room, mover room. So we have to make sure the dropper's in that certain position. So the combination of, hiding it in a concealed place, but making sure it goes down to the right place. If you're also doing that, you can also make features out of them. If you have a big open room, you don't want to put them in your robes, you can actually put them on, say you want to put them on either side of a room, you can, put a dummy box as well too to turn it into a bit of a feature. So there are a few things that you actually can do with your air conditioning droppers. Now, if you are designing a custom home, if you are designing a home, then you can definitely build it into your design and pre-work them out so you know what's going on. I can definitely help you with that. If you know anyone who's interested in understanding a little bit more about the droppers and how they can work them into their design, definitely tag them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you on an upcoming site visit. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.